Hello everyone, today we are going to make a sour cabbage. First, cut the cabbage into triangle shape. Make the sauce. 3 spoons of light soy sauce, 3 spoons of dark vinegar, 1 spoon of salt, 1 spoon of sugar, 3 spoons of water. Mix it well. Heat a pan, heat oil, fry the garlic, add the cabbage head. Fry it till it's soft. Then add the leaves portion. Fry it till it's soft, about 1 minute. Add the pre-made sauce. Mix it well. Fry about 1 minute. It's ready to be served. Enjoy it. It's very soft, tender, delicious, a little bit sour and sweet. Please subscribe and save the video.